Hey, I'm at the airport in San Jose, heading back to St. Louis. Just had a great interview at USCIS. I wanted to shoot this short video to explain to you what I learned, or more importantly, what I remembered dealing with an immigration officer today. Now, my clients and I were there for a spouse visa petition interview, and the officer came out, and unlike all the other officers who yelled out a little line number that everybody had, he yelled out my client's name, and he was very gruff about it. He didn't introduce himself to us, and he didn't welcome us or say hello or say his name or anything. So at first I was pretty intimidated, and as the interview went on, we just sort of cracked that ice, and he warmed up a little bit, told us a little bit about his background and that he'd been an immigration officer for 20 plus years. And as the interview went on and we got towards the end, he started saying things about the current administration. And I would say that he wasn't harsh on the administration, but he did talk about the fact that a lot of these changes that are occurring are stupid, they're unnecessary, and that that the powers that be have made immigration that much more complicated. And this is an immigration officer, and so, like I said, he's been doing this for 20 years, and we need to remember that these guys can be allies, that they're not all true believers in what Trump's doing, that many officers don't like what Trump is doing. And so it's always good to just sit back and try to read your officer, figure out where he stands or she stands, and don't do anything to antagonize him. And so when he started talking about the Trump administration and all the changes that had just made things more complicated, it really made me feel better and reminded me that I shouldn't view every immigration officer as a true Trump believer. So hope this video makes sense, hope you got something out of it, and we'll talk to you next time.